Meaning of hanging.
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 Hanging. Hanging can have a few different meanings depending on the context. One common interpretation is that it refers to the act of suspending an object from a higher point. For example, you might hang a painting on the wall or hang a lantern from a tree branch. Another meaning of hanging is more serious. It can refer to death by hanging, which is a method of execution in some cultures. This involves strangling the person by suspending them from a noose around their neck until they suffocate. Overall, the term hanging can have both positive and negative connotations, depending on how it is used.